guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am super excited. This car I've seen locally a few times now. Just thought it was so clean, and for those of you who know me, Hondas really are my thing and just super passionate about them. And this car just so clean. Something, and the reason why I really wanted to do this video today is with Hondas, K-Series is just the way that everyone is just going now. I think it's undisputed that a K-Series NA is probably the easiest way that you're going to go for big power. So what I want to answer today with James, the owner of this amazing EG that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, is a B20 swap still relevant in 2019? Is a B20 engine the best bang for buck Honda swap there is?
If the K20 was Cinderella, then well, the B20 is one of its ugly sisters. It's the forgotten engine in the Honda lineup, and realistically I think that is because it's just a conversion that nowadays is just not so well practiced, not so well known. And I understand that the power achieved through bolt-ons and things is just nowhere near what can be achieved with a K20 motor, but if you were on a budget, the power that James is running here, which is 200 brake, 140 pound-foot, is exactly the same as an EP3 stock out of the factory.
I have never experienced a B20, so you're taking the B20 virginity?
Oh, hope it's not too sore.
Yeah. Obviously the stickers you've got on the back of this VTI, this is a original 1.6 car.
Was, yeah.
So how do you rate the B20 over the stock B16 you had in it before?
Amazing.
I like that. Just
Yeah.
a little bit, just a, yeah.
Amazing. Usable power, that's what you want. I mean, I've had motorbikes quite a lot of my life as well, so I was always having fun on the back roads, you know, going, zipping around corners. I enjoyed corners, not just straight line, so.
How much do you think it cost you to put the engine in? Because I think that's the main thing that we need to sort of answer really, is like, you know, why should people go B20 over H series or a K20 motor?
Basically, I think without all the added extras that I decided to put on it, I think you're looking around £2 maximum to do it. It's like I was looking at, whereas I don't know, the K swaps are quite a lot more, aren't they? I don't done it myself, but I think they're upwards of like what, 6, something like that.
I think they've come down in price quite a bit more now.
Yeah.
Like I know people who, I suppose it's depending if we're including the price of the parts here. Like I know people who will install and fit and pretty much provide everything for around about £4,000.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Which really isn't bad, but that's just because there's so much more options in terms of parts now,
Right.
compared to the past.
Yeah.
What suspension you got on it?
Meister R's.
Oh, nice, good set of coilovers then.
Brilliant. Yeah. Absolutely love them. That, and I've literally got pretty much most of the Skunk 2 catalogue for all at the arm, lower arms and everything like that. So.
I was going to say, it's a well set up car.
Yeah, all the camber arms done as well, the mid trail bushings, all that's all been done as well. So yeah, that's all the stuff I've done before I even thought about doing an engine swap.
You've done it the right way round. Like, so many people just go for power, 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 but keep stock brakes, stock suspension, like just don't
Some
even...
drums, it'll be fine, don't worry.
Yeah, fuck it, that's good. We'll stop. Don't need to worry about that when you're winning.
Yeah.
Literally, to fit a B16 head to the B20 bottom end, what are the total parts needed?
That Golden Eagle conversion kit, which you can buy.
What comes in the conversion kit?
There'll be the oil feed.
Yeah.
My one's actually, what they've done on that, they put it so it goes around where the oil filter goes, so it goes on before the oil filter, screws onto there, then it has a tap collar, so you don't have to tap into the block or nothing.
Oh, how easy is that?
Yeah, because otherwise, the other ways of doing it is that you have to tap into the block and oil feed into there and tap up there. But yeah, that's you do it all off there, and then there's a gasket, or you can have the head skimmed so it matches, which this one was skimmed. The gasket works just fine over there, just wouldn't say otherwise on that.
How much is the Golden Eagle kit?
300 and something. I can't know. It's a while ago.
See, that's so good.
Yeah, that's not much at all. There's everything in the kit to do it.
Why do you think more people don't do B20?
I don't think they know about it.
spoken about much now.
No, I don't think it is. I think it's all on the forums. It's K-swap, or oh, I need help with my K-swap, or this and that, you know, or B8. They put, you know, the B18s in just to integrate them in straight away.
Yeah, just chuck it in.
Yeah, not Frankenstein and nothing. So yeah, it's weird. I found out about it from a mate of mine.
Do you know what? I'll be honest. Like when I was looking into, obviously, when I had my EG, I mean, to be fair, K series was always the way I wanted to go. But at one point in time, I had looked into a B20, but I never went that deep into it. I thought there'd be so much more involved.
Yeah, literally, they say if you can change your head gasket, apparently it's the same. You can do that.
Well, there you go. That's what I mean. That's easy.
That's what they reckon, yeah. I say, all the stuff I've done on here, I've done myself self-taught, obviously find off forums or find information. That.
I love how Hondas are just like Lego.
Yeah.
Like everything goes
Who doesn't
together.
like Lego? I mean,
Who doesn't like Lego? Honda Lego. It's the best kind.
Yeah. Yeah, literally, you just bolt up and identical, the same. Yeah, they have no problem with the engine mounts and stuff like that. They were all literally just in the same place. It was great.
So I've got to say, guys, I am incredibly impressed with a B20 motor inside a little EG. Just that little lightweight platform, that engine is perfect for it. Just that little bit more torque than B16, B18, and for the price of it, I really don't think you can beat it. So in my opinion, the B20 is not dead, so do not let it be something that you think that K-Series is the only way you've got to go. There's still options for you which are relatively affordable for an easy 200 brake. Thanks ever so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's have a chat in the comments. Speak to you soon.